Hi everyone, I'm Shu Min, Senior Physiotherapist at the Singapore Heart Foundation. Today we're going to do some kayaking exercise. There will be 3 levels of intensity. Do choose the one that you're most comfortable with, and you will need a few items, either a bottle or a stick, and a stable chair with backrests. Remember to do your warm-up before the session, and please take a look at the precautions on the screen now. Before we start the exercises, we need to talk about a good sitting posture first during the exercise. Alright, first you need to keep your feet slightly apart. Right? And while reaching forward or sideways, keep your back straight. Do not hunch like this. Do not reach forward like this. I want you to keep a good posture like this. Shoulders relaxed, back straight. Okay, next, movements need to be smooth. So for example, this, when we are moving our boats back, we want to do a smooth movement and not like this. This is not what we want. We want a smooth movement. Alright, we're going to start our exercise with some marching on the spot first. You can have an option whether you want to do it standing or sitting. You can sit and march like this. Alright, shall we start our 45 seconds? Let's go! Okay, remember to do the exercises at your own pace. If you feel any discomfort at any moment, please stop. Well done everyone. We're halfway there. Good, keep going. Almost there. Last 10 seconds. And stop. Well done, everybody. Okay, now we're going to move the boat forward. We're going to learn how to row forward. Remember to sit upright with your feet apart, stable in your chair. Okay, so we're going to reach forward and back. Remember to keep an upright posture. Alright, good. Let's start our 45 seconds. Let's go. Forward and back. Well done. Very good. Do it at your own pace. Good. Keep a good posture. We're almost there. Keep going. Rowing the boat forward. Very good. Last 5 seconds. And stop. Good. Our next movement is a combination movement. You will reach forward and then turn sideways. Okay, we'll do this again. Forward and sideways. Do remember to keep a good posture when doing this. Okay, let's start your 45 seconds. Let's go. Forward and turn. Forward and turn. Good. Keep going at your own pace. Forward and turn. Good. Almost there. Well done, everybody. And stop. Very good. All right, now we're going to march forward and backwards. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Backwards and forward. Okay, you have an option to do it seated. You can just do seated with marching. All right, shall we start our 45 seconds now? Let's go, everybody. So we're going forward and backwards at your comfortable pace. Very good, everybody. Good. Well done, everyone. We're almost there. Do this at your comfortable speed. Good. Last 10 seconds. Let's go. And stop. All right, next, we are going to roll the boat sideways. So pick up your bottle again. Make sure you sit upright with your feet apart. You're going to reach sideways and pull it in. Reach and pull. All right, keep your posture upright. Okay. Shall we start our 45 seconds? Let's go. Reach and pull. Very good. Can do it at your own pace. Well done, everybody. Good. Do remember, if you feel discomfort, stop. Very good, we're halfway there. Reach and pull. We're moving the boat sideways. And stop. Very good. Next, we're going to move the boat backwards. Okay, so same thing. Dip the stick into the water and pull it out. Dip in, keeping a good posture, and out. Okay, let's start our 45 seconds. Let's go. Dip in and back. Dip in and back. Good. Do it at your own pace. Keeping a good posture. Good. Keep going. Well done, everybody. Very good. Last 10 seconds. We're moving backwards. Very good, everyone. Okay, next we're going to be doing our marches sideways. Again, you have two options. You can do it seated, or you can follow me. We're going to be doing our marches sideways. Shall we start 45 seconds now? Let's go. So moving sideways, at your own pace. Well done, everybody. Good. We're halfway there. Very good. Last 5 seconds. And stop. Well done. Okay, now get seated again. Good posture, feet apart, stable. Okay, now we are going to learn how to move our legs and roll at the same time. Okay, the rowing will be similar. to just now. Okay, just that we put a few movements together. You reach forward, side, and up. Forward, side, and roll. Forward, side, and roll. Okay, shall we start 45 seconds now? Let's go. Forward, side, and roll. Very good. So 3 movements together. Forward, side, and roll. Forward, side, and roll. Keep going. Very good. Do it at your own pace. We're almost there. Good. We're now rowing the boat forward. Forward, side, and roll. Very good. Last 5 seconds. And last one. Good. All right. Now we're going to do our last exercise. It's alternate leg lift. Okay. So sit with your back against the chair. So to give it support, keep your posture upright and lift your legs. Let's start 45 seconds. Let's go. Well done, everybody. Do it at your own pace. Very good. Keep going. Good. Remember not to hold your breath. Well done. Last 10 seconds. And relax. All right. Let's start our second set. Let's start our marching on the spot. You can option sit down or stand up. Let's start. 45 seconds. Let's go. Good. Keep going. You're doing well. Remember to do it at your own pace. Keep going, everyone. Well done. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Very good. Let's move on. Okay, we're going to roll forward in 45 seconds. Sit upright. Let's go. Remember to do it at your own pace. Good posture. Very good. Keep going. Well done, everyone. Roll your boat forward. Last 5 seconds. And relax. Okay, next, we're going forward and sideways. Shall we start 45 seconds? Let's go. Forward and side. Forward, side. Very good. Keep going. At your own pace. Remember to keep a good posture. Well done. Good. Keep moving. The boat is moving forward. And relax. Very good. Let's move on to some marching again. This time we're going to march forward and back. Shall we start? Let's go. Do it at your own pace. Well done, everybody. Do stop if you have any discomfort. We're almost there. And stop. Very good. Coming back. This time, we're going to go sideways. Sitting upright, moving sideways. Thank you. 45 seconds. Let's start. Reach sideways and pull in. Very good. We want to pull the boat sideways. Move it sideways. Very good. You can do this at your own pace. Keeping a good posture. Very good. Keep going. Almost there. And relax. Next, we want to move the boat backwards. Okay, good posture. Let's start. Dip in and pull back. Okay, dip in and pull back. Keep going at your own pace. Very good. Keep moving. Maintain your posture. Well done, everyone. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Very good. Next, we're going to move on to our marching sideways. Remember, you can sit down if you wish to. Thank you. Let's start. Well done. At your own pace, everyone. I hope you're having a great time like me. Let's go. If you find this a bit tricky, you can slow down a little. And relax. Very good. Okay, next we're going to do our combined arm movement. Okay, we're going to roll forward and sideways. Let's go. Forward and roll. Forward, side and roll. Very good. Wow, boat is moving forward. Keep going. Do it at your own pace. Very nice. Moving forward. Well done. Keep going with me. And relax. Okay, next, we need to learn our leg movement. Sit against the chair. Alternate leg lift. Thank you. Let's go. Well done. So keep your posture upright. And remember to breathe. Do not hold your breath. Doing it at your own pace. Well done, follow me. Let's keep going. Well done, everyone. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Well done. Thank you for joining us today. Do remember to do your cool down and rehydrate. See you next time. Bye-bye.